Hey, I'm Tom Morris. How do you react when life throws you a challenge? When there's a difficulty, disappointment, an obstacle falls in your path, something that seems terrible happens, something that just seems frustrating or irritating happens. Well, when I was a kid, people would always say to me, Tommy, when life hands you lemons, make lemonade. I must have heard that 100 times. Everybody said it, but nobody ever said how. What's this lemonade making supposed to consist of? Now, it's an interesting image, isn't it? It means going from difficulty to delight. Well, it turns out the great philosophers had a lot to say about this alchemy or art of transformation in our own lives. I did about 20 years of research and came up with a book called Plato's Lemonade Stand, Stirring Change into Something Great, where I try to lay out all that I've learned about lemonade making. The great philosophers thought that it takes really three arts. One I call the art of self-control, one the art of positive action, and one the art of achievement. The art of self-control is simple. It has three requirements. First of all, don't rush to judgment. Don't be too quick to say, this is terrible, this is awful, this is horrible, or even to say, this is great. Things are hardly ever what they at first seem. So just calm down. Take a pause, take a breath. Number two, value the right things. If all we value is comfort and safety and security, then almost any change can create anxiety. But if we value learning and growth and adventure, we're going to approach even our difficulties with a more positive spirit. And number three, use your imagination well. When anything that seems bad happens, our imaginations spiral out of control. Einstein once said imagination is more important than knowledge. We need to take control of our own imaginations. Imagine a positive outcome. Don't let yourself go in negative directions. So the philosophers gave us the art of self-control and the art of positive action. First of all, govern your attitudes. Try not to be a pessimist. Try not to be a worst case scenario believer. Bring a positive attitude to any challenge you face. And number two, look for opportunities. Whenever anything new happens, whenever a door closes, usually another door or a window will open. Look for those opportunities. And number three, take action. The most successful people in the world aren't people who just have the wait and see attitude. What's the world going to bring to me? They're people who try to find a path forward, a new opportunity, and they take action right away. So the art of self-control, the art of positive action, and the art of achievement. The philosophers have given us lots of wise advice about how to turn our goals into achievements in our lives. Have a clear conception of what you want, a strong confidence, a focused concentration on what it's going to take, a stubborn consistency in pursuing your vision, a real strong commitment as well is necessary. Good character to guide you and keep you on a proper course, and a capacity to enjoy the process along the way. Simple things that can make a huge difference. When you exercise the art of self-control, the art of positive action, and the art of achievement together in any situation, no matter how challenging, you stand a really good chance of moving from sour lemons to really delicious lemonade.